Bam! Hey up guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this absolute beauty. It's a Honda CB650. It's an F ABS version. What a cracker this is. Great colour scheme. You've got the black, you've got the orange on there, silver tank with the stripe going down the middle. This is an absolutely stunning looking bike. 2018 on an 18 plate, only done 321 miles. Really low. Did I mention it's a one owner bike? I do like to mention one owner bikes, and this is a one owner bike and it's had one owner. So what's this one owner done to this bike? Nothing. It is absolutely standard. It's this good from the factory, and the one owner on this bike must have loved it, because I do. Great colour scheme, like I say. These also you can oops, apologies, I went into nothing then. These absolute belters, first time bikes, commuter bikes, really good. Stunning, should I say. Let's give it a quick blast on the old exhaust so you can hear it as well. Someone's put it in gear, guys, someone's put it in gear. Ooh, little fruity one there. Absolute stunner, like I say. Anyhow, enough of me going on about this beauty. It is cooler than the Fonz. All you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call. See you later.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.